What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It's your boy Auto Guy DIY. So I was gonna do a vinyl wrap this weekend on my 4 gen, but my supplies was short, so I don't have enough vinyl wrap to do the whole project. So I'm not gonna get into half a project with y'all and then have to get back with y'all. I'd rather do it all in one go. So I do have this extra headlight, and it's for my 3rd gen. So I see a bunch of videos on YouTube about people putting these headlights in the oven at 220 degrees for 20 minutes and then easily pulling the lens off the housing. So I'm curious, and I'm also wondering how many of y'all are curious on how easy or how difficult that would be for a first timer to do. So since I have this extra lens, I'm willing to give it a shot and let y'all see how hard or how easy it is to separate the lens from the housing. And then when we get in there, maybe we can do something with that chrome piece behind there if we're successful and don't break the lens. Maybe tint it or wrap it or do something wild. It's an extra light. It'll go in the trash if it doesn't work out. So y'all like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know if y'all would be interested in seeing that. And I'll get back with y'all at a later date. Keep doing your thing and living the dream.